Hi there, Marie here from Freenow. Today we're going to be taking you through how to place a booking on our Freenow for Business Webbooker. To begin, open your web browser and type in web-booking.free-now.com. Once you've logged in, you'll see this page here. To begin booking, you'll need to provide a pickup address. This will be set to your company address by default. However, if you need to change the pickup address, simply click on the pickup bar, delete the information, and begin typing the correct pickup address. In this case, we'd like to set the pickup to Connolly Station in Dublin, so we begin to type the address in and then select it from the drop-down list. It's really important to select your address from the drop-down list so that we can locate you accurately. Next to the address, you'll see the estimated time of arrival. In this case, it's 1 minute, but this may vary depending on your pickup location and the vehicle type you choose. Next, we'll enter our destination. Click on the destination bar and begin to type. Again, you should select your destination from the drop-down list. Click View Map if you'd like to see driver availability in the area. This will also give you an estimated route to your destination. Next, we can choose our payment method. In this case, it's set to business account. If we'd like to change this for any reason, simply click on the box to see a list of available payment methods. If I choose passenger pays with credit card or passenger pays with debit card, we'll send a driver with the card machine on board. In this case, I'm happy to pay with the business account, so I'll just click OK. I can then choose the vehicle type I like. By default, it's set to taxi. However, if we click this box, we'll see a list of available vehicle types in our area. In this case, I'd like to choose taxi with a protective screen, so I'll select the Taxi Plus screen option and press OK. Then I can enter the passenger information. We can order for a guest or an employee. Please bear in mind that a guest may be someone that works at your organisation, they just aren't added to the business account yet. If we choose the employee option, we'll see a list of employees on the account and we can select from the list. If the person you're booking for doesn't appear on the list, it's best to choose the guest option. Here we can type in the passenger name and phone number. Once we've typed in the passenger name and phone number, we can choose to send the passenger the trip details by SMS at no extra cost. This will send them a text when the driver is on the way and also when they've arrived. We can also choose to save guest information if this is a person we book for regularly. If required by your company, you may need to set a cost centre and a reference. The cost centre may be a list of department codes or names. Simply select from the drop-down list. If you can't see the relevant cost centre, begin to type and it will appear in the list for you. The reference or purpose of trip is generally a reason that the trip is taking place. In this case, we'll use meeting as a reference. The message to driver section is optional, but very handy if you'd like to give the driver any additional information on the booking. For example, if you're booking from the airport, you might like to provide the flight number. This will also save your recently used messages. Once I'm happy with the information on the booking, I can click Order Now if I'd like a taxi instantly, or later if I'd like to make a pre-booking. You can book up to 60 days in advance on the Webbooker. Simply choose the date and time from the calendar. Also note that the calendar is in 24-hour format. Once I'm happy with the information here, I can click Book for Later and my booking will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. If I need to cancel for any reason, I can simply click on the booking and press Cancel. Confirm your cancellation then, and that's you done. Thank you very much. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Please reach out to us if you have any questions.